Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Let me introduction myself. My name is Muhammad Faiz Syahrul Anas. I am from the Faculty of Medicine Sultan Agung Islamic University Semarang, Central Java, Indonesia. And today I am going to present an analysis of a clinical trial publication using the Consort 2010 checklist. Specifically, I will identify how each of the checklist item is addressed in the article title. Hideous flu, efficacy, and patients with chronic rhinosinusitis with or without prior sinus surgery in reopen 1 and reopen 2 randomized control trials. So let's go get started. Next, in the consort checklist number 1A, identification as a randomized trial in the title. Hideous flu, efficacy in patients with chronic rhinosinusitis with or without prior sinus surgery in reopen 1 and reopen 2 randomized controlled trials. Checklist. Next, number 1B, structure summary of trial designs, methods, result, and conclusion for a specific within the consort for abstract. Abstract 2 24 weeks randomized trials reopen 1 or 2 evaluates Aedes flu versus Aedes placebo in patients with CRS stratified by surgical status. Checklist. Next, number 2A, scientific background and explanation of rational background. The inability of topical medications to reach sinus cavities is a potential reason for lack of efficacy in chronic rhinosinusitis or CRS. Checklist. Next, number 2B, specific objective or hypothesis. In this study, we compare the efficacy of Aedes flu in patients with and without prior sinus surgery by analyzing pooled symptom, QOL, and sinus opacification data from both reopen trials. Tentang checklist. Next, number 3A, description of trial design such as parallel factorial including allocation ratio. Study design and patients reopen 1 and reopen 2 were phase 3 24 weeks randomized double-blind multi-center Aedes placebo control trials. Checklist. Next, number 3B, important change to methods after trial commencement such as eligibility criteria with reason. No. Next, number 4A. Number 4A, the reopen trials enrolled adult patients with CRS symptoms and objective evidence of sinus disease on CT scan. Reopen 1 include patients with or with nasal polyps, whereas reopen 2 include patients with nasal polyps. Next, number 1B, cities and locations where the data were collected. Both trials were sponsored by Optinos, USAINC, and designated by the sponsor under advice from steering committee active members. Next, number 5, the intervention for S group with sufficient data to allow replication include how and when they were actually administered. Patients were randomly assigned to EDS plus placebo, EDS delivering matching vehicle, EDS flu low dose, one spray or nostril, 83 to equal to 186, or EDS flu high dose to spray and nostril, 83 for equal to 372, all twice daily. Next, number 6A, complete definite pre-specific primary and secondary outcome measures include how and when they were assessed. Outcomes include gain from baseline talk with 12 incompetent symptoms or summit congestion, facial pain or pressure, and nasal discharge scores at no symptoms to 3 equal to 7 in the morning, averaged over prior 7 days, change from baseline talk week to 4 in the 22 item sinonasal outcome des not 22 total score patient perceived global change in the sense passage global impression of change PGAC at week 24 and mean change from baseline to week 24 in sinus opacification as measured by the average of the percentage of opacified volumes in ethmoid and maxillary sinus by CT scan. Number 6 and 7 ano. Next, number 8A method used to generate the random allocation sequence. Patients were then randomly assigned the EDS placebo, EDS delivering matching vehicle, EDS flu low dose, one spray or nostril, 83 to equal to 186, or EDS flu high dose to spray or nostril, 83 for equal to 372, all twice daily. Next, number 9, mechanism used to implement the random allocation sequence such as sequentially numbered containers, describing any steps taken to cancel the sequence until intervention were assigned. No. Number and 10 and 11A, no. And 11B, no. Next, number 12A. Statistical methods used to compare groups for primary and secondary outcomes. Used a mixed model for repeated measure MMRM include baseline and categorical effects. Sinus surgery, yes or no. Treatment group polyps, yes or no, and protocol reopen 1 or reopen 2, which change from baseline to weeks 4, 8, and 12 in the composite symptom score as repeat measure and missing at random assumption for missing data. Next, number 13A, patient characteristic. For each group, the numbers of participants were random assigned, received intended treatment, and were analyzed for the primary outcome. Of the 547 patients included in this analysis, 215 comprised the cohort with prior sinus surgery. Checklist. Next, number Next, number 15A. Next, number 15. A table showing baseline demographic and clinical characteristics for each group. Table 1, baseline characteristic. Full analysis set mean age, female with race, mean composite symptom score, mean cognition score, instantaneous AM, means not 22 total score, mean average of the percentage of opposite volume SD ila akhirih. Next, number 16. For each group, number of participants denominator include in each analysis and whether the analysis was by original assigned groups. All patients receiving at least one dose of randomized study drug with baseline composite symptom score and sinus opacification measure and at least one baseline composite symptom score measure by week 4. Checklist. Next, number 17. For each primary and secondary outcome result for each group and the estimate effect size and its precision shows as 85 confidence interval. At week 24, patients with prior sinus surgery reported an enlargement change of in the lower group and enlargement change of in the higher dose group compared when mean 1072 C2 18 in the ADS placebo group P equal to not significant and respectively. Evaluation of the SNOT 22 subclasses demonstrate that tests in rhinological symptoms were similar for EDS flu treated patients in both subgroups. Next, number 17B. No. Next, number 18. Result of any other analysis performed include subgroup analysis and subgroup analysis, distinguishing pre-specified from exploratory. Interaction analysis are exploratory in nature, therefore nominal p-values are presented without adjustment for multiplicities of tests. Sorry. Next, number 19 and 20. No. Next, number 21. Generalizability, external validity, applicability of the trial findings. Conclusion: EDS flu improve symptom sinus pacification and quality of life in patients with CRS with or prior ASS, suggesting a role for EDS flu in both populations. Number 22. No. Next, number 23. Registration number and name of trial registry. Clinical trial gov numbers NCT 037818 NCT 03781-804 and NCT 03960580. Next, number 24. No. Next, number 25. Source of funding and other supports, source as supply of drugs, role of funders. Funding information options USINC checklist. Thanks for the attention. The last I see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.